Hello everyone. Today's topic is the binary search tree, in short BST. Right? So question is construct a BST by inserting the following numbers. Numbers are given here: 10, 12, 5, 4, 20, 15 and 13. Okay. Now you have to arrange these numbers, right? Means insert this number into the BST. What is the BST, binary search tree? A tree, right, in which means all the values of the left subtree is the less than the root node, and all the values of the right subtree is the greater than the root node, right? So you have to follow this property, and by following this property you have to draw the tree. Again I am telling, BST is a binary search tree in which means all the values in the left side, are the less than the root node, and all the values in the right side are the greater than the root node. Okay, one by one we will insert these elements into the binary search tree, right? Initially node is empty. Okay, so first element insert 10, 10 have been inserted. Okay, this is the first element. After that second element 12, 12 insert here, right? So you have to check either 12 is greater than the 10 or less than the 10, right? If 12 is greater than the 10, then it will come the right side. Okay, if it is less, if value is less than, then that will go to left side. So next element, so 12 have been inserted here in the right of the 10. Okay, because property of the BST is all the values in the right subtree is the greater than the root node, and all the values in the left subtree is the less than the root node. So you have to remember that property. Second element is 5. Okay, insert 5. Now see here, 5 is less than the root node, so it will come the left side. Okay, now see here, this is the root node, and value in the left is less than the root node, and value in the right is greater than the root node. Again see, after 5, 4, this is the next element. Okay, when you are going to insert the 4, again by checking the property of the BST, check here, 4 is less than the 10, so it will come left side. Again check here, 4 is less than again 5, so it will come again left. Okay, so here you can check, it is also following the property of the BST, means all the values in the left side is greater than the root node, and all the values in the left subtree is the less than the root node. Okay, now next element, that is the 20. 20 when you are going to insert, see here, again by following the same property, see here, either 20 is less than the 10 or greater than the 10. Obvious, 20 is greater than the 10, so it will come the right. Again check here, 12, I mean 20 is greater than the 12 or less than the 12, so 20 is greater than the 12, so again it will come to the right of this 12. Okay, and this remaining will be written here same as it is. Okay, now next element after 20, that is the 15. When you are going to insert 15, right, it will start to comparison from this root node. Okay, 15 is greater than the 10, so it will come right. Next node is 12, again 15 is greater than the 12 also, so again move to right. Now come to the 20. Okay, again check, because 15 is less than the 20, so it will come to the left of the 20. Why? Because property of the, due to the property of the BST. Okay, because always means 20 means if 15 is, if value means whatever value you are going to insert here, if it is greater than the 20, then it will come to the right. If it is less than the 20, then it will come to the left of this one. Okay, so next element, that is the 13. Now check here, 13 again start from the root node only. 13 is greater than the 10, then it will come, move to the right. Compare here, sorry, again I am going to telling. Okay, 13 is greater than the 10, so move to 12. Okay, again check here, 13 is greater than the 12 also, move to right. And 13 is less than the 20, so move to left. Okay, again check here, 13 is less than the 15 also, so it will be inserted at the left of the 15. Okay, so now you can see here, this is the complete final VST. This complete is the final VST. You can see here all the values in the left subtree. This is the left subtree and this complete is the right subtree for this root node. Okay, for this root node, 10 is the root node. So you can see here all the values in the right side is the greater than the 10 and all the values in the left side is the less than the 10. For the each node also you can check. For the 5, see here 4 is less than the 5, so that is, this is the left side. Okay, and right side there is no element. Here 12, okay, 20 is greater than the 12, that's why it is in right of the 12. And here 15 is less than the 20, that's why it is left of the 20. And same 13 is less than the 15, that's why it is the left of the 15. So this is the complete binary tree. By property you have to remember, means for the root node, suppose this is the for the this BST, all the values in the left subtree, all the values in the left subtree always will be the less than the root node, and all the values in the right subtree will be the greater than the root node. For the each node it should follow the same property. Okay, and time complexity for insertion and deletion, for inserting the element and for deleting the any element. Okay, that is the O log n. You have to remember time complexity of the BST is the O log n.